Right, let's open Excel, and then we want to open Excel Test Exp2. There it is. Let's double click on that. Now right click on the Blake tab and select Move or Copy, and we want to select New Book from that top drop list and select Create a Copy and OK. And now go to the File menu, Save As, and let's name this XL Blake and save. And now we can close that spreadsheet. And now right click on the Grantham tab and do the same thing. New Book and Create a Copy and OK. And let's save that as XL Grantham. And then we can close that and close all open workbooks. And now we're looking for Consolidate, but we can't find that at the moment because first of all we need to click the New tab and bring up a worksheet. And now click in B4 and go to Data menu, Consolidate. There, it's active now. Now click on the Browse button and select XL Blake and click OK. There it is, and OK. Now click at the end of that text where it's, well, actually the insertion point is already there, and type B4:D15 and then click the Add button. And then click on the Browse button again and select XL Grantham and OK, and again add B4:D15 and click the Add button and check the Create Links to Source Data box and OK. And there we've got the totals from the two tabs, but let's click that plus sign alongside row 6 and we see the detail that goes into it, the two different sections which are adding up to the one we saw originally. Now we can close that, and we're not going to use it again, so we don't need to save it.